Alright guys, I got a car running here. This is a Honda Accord. I fixed the AC on this. I'm gonna make a video on it, what I did. There was a problem with the relay. But today I want to do another video. I want to compare the AC on this and compare it with a household AC, which is running right over there in my window, right? So we're gonna go inside first, all right? We're gonna check the AC over there. Then we're gonna come back and check the AC, how cold it is here, all right? All right guys, so I'm in here. This AC here has been running for a while. It's nice and cool in here, all right? Very cold. You can't even sit in here for a little more than 10 minutes, all right? I got my gauge here, temperature gun here, infrared tester here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna point, you see the laser right there? Like that, it's gonna point the laser from here. This is how it points the laser, all right? And it checks how cold it is, all right? So this is 49 degrees, 0.6, all right? 50, we're gonna say 50 even, all right? And this is on full blast, all right? That's the lowest temperature I could get. Now we're gonna go inside that car over there, and let's go there with our little meter here. Before we go inside, I want to show you, this is AC is running, guys. This AC line is nice and cold, all right? It has moisture. You see that water on my finger? That is reflecting it too much. All right, so this is really cold, all right? This is picking up the heat of the car. All right, but we're gonna go inside. That thing is cold like ice, all right? If I'm touching, it feels like I'm touching an ice. So in here, we have a car AC. Let's see how cold this is. This is about 63 degrees, all right? And let me check the other vents. So I have this on full blast, all right? So let's check this main vent, all right? This is below almost 58 degrees, 56 degrees, 50. Oh, there you go. Now I'm getting a good temperature. So they're fairly equally, guys, all right? 51 degrees. Let's see that last one, all right? 50s, all right? So pretty much this is how your AC should be, in between 50 and 60 degrees temperature. That's going to be considered a good AC, all right? How to tell your AC is nice and cold, all right? If you want to compare it with your household AC, you can do it. But there you have it. The readings are in the range of 50 degree and 60, all right? So between, and then in that range, you're okay, all right, guys? This is pretty good, all right? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos.